Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am glad to join the MISEIC 2020 and to see you all. In this opportunity, I would like to present our paper entitled ESD for Physics, How to Infuse Education for Sustainable Development to the Physics Curricula. With the authors are me, Mukhayyaroti Miswati Rodiatul Jauhariyah, Dinar Kurnia Prahani, Khairul Syahidi, Utama Alandeta, Nurita Apridiana Lestari, and Eko Haryono. The first is the fundamental background of this research. It is related to the global goals for sustainable development. Sustainable development is one of the biggest challenges of the 21st century that based on the three pillars that are economic, social, and environment. And education for sustainable development, or ESD, is one of the latest issues in the study of sustainable development. ESD overcomes the aspects frame of human dependency to the quality of the environment and access to the natural resources of our days. ESD has a critical role in education for a better life in the future. In order to realize this critical role, the ESD framework promotes to every education practitioner or prospective education practitioner on important elementary issues in the curriculum of educational programs. The hope is that if the critical issues of ESD integrated into the learning curriculum, everyone could gain knowledge, values, skills for sustainability, also reorienting the academic curricula to help students reduce the gap between the local problems and the global problems. ESD still less concerns seriously related to the development of the physics education program in higher education. Thus, skills and creativity needed in analyzing the curriculum inserting ESD into the learning curriculum, including the physics learning curriculum. As a prospective physics education graduate who has the opportunity to become a physics teacher, they should start training themselves first to hone their creativity in compiling a physics education curriculum that is integrated ESD in it. Based on the studies on the ESD competencies and how ESD-based learning is carried out, creative problem solving was chosen by others to carry out learning by observing the creativity fostering behavior of CSPD by teachers in the process of practicing ESD integration in school curriculum study for physics education students at one of State University in Surabaya. Ladies and gentlemen, the purposes of this study are to describe about how to conduct the school curriculum course in physics education in order to build the ESD framework, describe about how analyze and infuse the ESD framework to the physics curricula, and describe about the profile of ESD-based physics curricula work result. Ladies and gentlemen, the research used descriptive qualitative method with describe about how the 25 prospective undergraduate physics education, or PUPE, infused the ESD to physics curricula. In the environmental of the integrate of creative problem solving with the creativity fostering teacher behavior until they produce the ESD-based physics curricula. And we use the observation sheet and analyze the product to report this study. Ladies and gentlemen, the following steps obtain qualitative data. These steps are an integration of the application of creative problem solving and creativity fostering behavior in the school curriculum course to infuse ESD into the physics curriculum. And this is the description of the compliance criteria based on the score of the CSCD aspect. Ladies and gentlemen, why creative problem solving for sustainability? These are the reason. The CPS tests that are math finding, fact finding, problem finding, idea finding, solution finding, and acceptance finding are relevant to sustainability. And why use the creativity fostering teacher behavior in effort to infuse ESG to the physics curricula? Because all of the aspects of CSTD can apply to foster the creativity for sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, this research conducted during the school curriculum study course at the odd semester of 2019-2020 year academic. The observation results during the course that observed by all students show that the lecturers conducted the GFTP aspect in the good compliance criteria. During lectures, the lecturers assist students in preparing ESD-based curriculum review for physics subject. ESD-based physics curriculum design development based on 4 basic components of curriculum development that are aims, content, method, and evaluation. All of them integrate with the ESD issue chosen. Ladies and gentlemen, through learning to school curriculum study in an integrated CPS environment with CSTD, all of the group of PUPE have produced curriculum design products that have integrated ESD issues. Here are 10 titles of their work. Ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of this study are the effort to insert ESD to the physics curriculum has been implemented in the school curriculum course through the CPS learning environment by observing CFTD foster student creativity with the good compliance criteria. Curriculum analysis activities by integrating ESD are carried out through the CPS stage and paying attention to ESD issues in preparing physics learning curriculum planning at the secondary level, and the PUP can follow the learning processes by producing ESD integrated physics curriculum analysis product. The PUPs can find global issues and offer solutions that match to the problem studied. And the suggestion, it recommended for researchers or practitioners who will then use this method to prepare all the possibilities that will occur. Okay, that is all. Thank you very much for the opportunity. We apologize if we have some mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.